Most corporate professionals are not overworked, they are working inside broken systems, and that is why they are exhausted every day. If you work in corporate, operations, admin, HR, marketing, or management, you already know this. Reports take too long, emails take too long, data takes too long, processes take too long, and everything feels slow. Not because you are slow, but because the system is slow. Corporate work today is still manual reporting, manual communication, manual documentation, and manual analysis. Yet AI exists, automation exists, and structured systems also exist. But most companies are not using them correctly. This creates an efficiency gap, and that is the gap costing professionals time, energy, and growth. Every day, corporate professionals spend 2 hours writing emails, 1 hour preparing reports, another hour organizing information, and the last 1 hour doing repetitive tasks. That is 5 hours gone. Imagine 5 hours of your day gone just like that. And it is daily. This is not productivity, this is operational inefficiency. This is exactly why structured AI systems like AJSS exist. AJSS is designed to help professionals work faster, automate repetitive tasks, structure operations, and reduce workload, and it also improves efficiency. It's not just AI tools, it's a structured working system. So let me give you a real-life example. An operations coordinator receives weekly reports instead of working 2 hours manually. AJSS system generates report structure, summary, insights, and professional output in minutes. This changes everything. Imagine cutting down the 5 hours to a few minutes, let's say 20 minutes or 30 minutes. That will be a great change to your work, your mood, and even to your family life. So the future of corporate work is not hard work. It's structured AI assisted work. Professionals who understand systems will dominate. Professionals who rely on manual work will struggle. If you want to see how AJSS works and how it can help you work faster in corporate, send me the word AJSS at the comment. And if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video.